Volvo's new road train is here at 90 lakhs of ex-showroom price. This supersized truck is set to revolutionize logistics. But the big question is, can Indian companies afford this? Delivery has already deployed. But how will other logistics company manage finance? Who will buy it? How will the freight rates change? Let's break it down in this video. Welcome back to Logics by FR8, where we simplify trucking and logistics with clear and expert insights. Let's look at Volvo road train specifications. FM420 4x2 tractor unit, the powerhouse of the setup. Two trailers, 24-foot and 44-foot configurations. 144 cubic meters of cargo space, 50% more than a regular truck. High-tech features, 12-inch digital display, 360-degree cameras and a self-steering axle for better control and safety. Now, who can afford this? For smaller companies, 90 lakhs is a huge investment. And even larger companies will need financial solutions. How will companies manage finances? Many firms will lease or opt for an EMI rather than paying the upfront. Client partnerships. Long-term contract with e-commerce or FMCG giants can secure revenues. Companies may raise freight rates to recover costs, impacting product pricing. Let's compare Volvo road train with the current 32-feet multi-axle's financial comparison. Let's look at it in a table format. The ex-showroom price of a Volvo road train is 90 lakhs. Of a 32-feet multi-axle will come around 35 to 40 lakhs. The cargo capacity will be 144 cubic meters, 50% more than a multi-axle 96 cubic meter. Fuel efficiency may be higher for per trip due to more cargo. Lower per kilometer is calculated on a 32-feet multi-axle. Average freight rate per ton kilometer will be 2.5 rupees to 3 rupees. In a multi-axle, it can be around 1.8 rupees to 2.2 rupees. ROI on road train is 3 to 5 years, depends on contract. On 32-feet multi-axle will be around 2 to 3 years. Finance rate will be 8 to 12% for a road train. For multi-axle, it can come around 9 to 14%. Maintenance cost will be higher due to tech and complexity. 32-feet multi-axle will cost lower. For road train infrastructure, Volvo will require expressways. For multi-axle, compatible with most Indian roads. Resale value will be moderate for the new concept in India. For multi-axle, it is higher, widely used. Driver training needs high advanced safety tech for Volvo and a standard driving tech for multi-axle. Impact on small load transport. Volvo might be a threat for small load businesses. Multi-axle will be suitable for small flexible loads. Depreciation rate for the Volvo truck will be 10 to 12% higher due to high-tech components. For a multi-axle, it will be around 8 to 10% as a standard Indian truck. Residual value after 5 years for Volvo truck will be 40 to 45 lakhs depending on the demand. For multi-axle, it can be around 18 to 25 lakhs depending on the condition. What problem does the Volvo road train solve? India's logistics system suffers with a high transportation cost and an inefficient freight movement. Volvo road train is designed to tackle these issues. First issue, reducing cost. More cargo, fewer trips. 50% more goods will cut down transportation cycle. Second, fuel efficiency. More cargo per trips means overall lower consumption of fuel. Better profit margins. Fewer trucks means lower maintenance and lower fuel cost. The faster the freight movement, best suited for expressways like Delhi-Mumbai. Higher supply chain efficiency. E-commerce, FMCG and manufacturers will benefit with faster deliveries. Reduced road congestion. Fewer trucks on highway leads to smoother logistics. The challenges are, is India really ready? While highways like Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, which will support the Volvo road train, many state highways and rural roadways lack the necessary of width, surface quality and bridge clearance. Logistics hubs and warehouses may need redesigning to accommodate longer trucks. This truck can also be a threat for small load trucking. With higher cargo capacity, this truck can reduce the demand of smaller trucks, affecting the independent transporters who rely on small trucking loads. If large fleet companies will shift to mega truck, small fleet owners will have the struggle to get a consistent contract. Is the Volvo road train really worth it? The Volvo road train is a game changer for long haul and large scale logistics players. However, adoption depends on infrastructure readiness, finances, and government incentives. For large companies with established contracts and expressway access, this investment can pay off with increased efficiency and cost saving. A smaller transporter's traditional 32-feet multi-axle will be more affordable and practical, especially for short routes or small load distance. What do you think? Can Indian companies afford the Volvo road train? Will freight rate increase and impact product prices? Is India's infrastructure ready for such transformation? Will this truck threaten small trucking businesses? How will depreciation affect its long-term value? Let us know what you think in the comment section.